Yes, some big breaking news coming in. A bridge has been washed away in Madhya Pradesh's Datia district as the Sindh River continues to overflow. After the bridge swept away, Datia loses road connectivity with Gwalior. Here the visuals coming in live on your screens. We are looking at a bridge being completely washed away in Madhya Pradesh's Datia district as the Sindh River continues to overflow. After a bridge is swept away, Datia loses road connectivity with Gwalior. Remember, Madhya Pradesh is currently reeling under torrential rains. We're looking at flood-like situation across the state, particularly 200 villages inundated. We're looking at some scary visuals coming in of a bridge that's completely washed away in Madhya Pradesh's Datia district as the Sindh River now overflowing. Right after the bridge is swept away, Datia district now loses complete road connectivity with Gwalior. Now, heavy rainfalls continue to lash the hills. Landslides continue to wreak havoc in Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand due to heavy rains. Roads blocked and critical infrastructure has been completely hit. Many had quite a miraculous escape there from the floods due to heavy rains in Rajasthan, and Madhya Pradesh is also now wreaked the havoc. Let's take a look.
Nature's wrath unleashed. Landslides. Roads caving in and boulders raining on highways. Heavy rainfall, rivers overflowing, flooding and villages submerged. Heavy rainfall continues to lash the hills of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, resulting in massive landslides. One scary incident took place in Himachal's Haripurdhar, where landslides flattened a hillock and roads caved in. The Badrinath highway in Uttarakhand was also blocked after another landslide. Many had a miraculous escape. Floods due to heavy rains in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh have been wreaking continuous havoc. The Sindhu River is in spate in Madhya Pradesh's Datia, washing away a section of the bridge. Incessant rains triggered torrents of water on the streets of Panna, sweeping away motorcycles. People in Madhya Pradesh's Guna, stuck in low-lying areas for 2 days, were rescued with the help of ropes by rescue teams.
कुल मिला के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को बहुत नुकसान पहुंचा है, लेकिन राहत की बात यह है कि हम लोगों को लगातार निकालते जा रहे हैं, लोगों की ज़िंदगी बचाने में सफल हुए हैं। बाकी राहत के कैंप लगाना, भोजन की व्यवस्था करना, बाद में पानी उतरने के बाद और कई तरह की व्यवस्थाओं में दिन और रात हम लोग जुटेंगे।
Rajasthan is also witnessing floods as rains continue to lash many districts of the desert state. Kota remains one of the worst hit. Many low-lying villages are completely submerged. Disaster response force teams are carrying out rescue operations to save those in distress. A bus full of passengers got stuck on a flooded bridge over the Chambal River. Finally, all the passengers were rescued with the help of locals. No rain respite in sight in large parts of North India, as the Met Department predicts more showers in the coming days. Bureau Report, India Today.